Let's look at SuperOkay templates in the content library. Let's start with templates. Navigate to the templates section on the side menu. SuperOkay has 10 project templates available. Project templates are predefined client portals that were made to be useful for specific use cases, such as branding, web design, or coaching. Pick one of these templates as a starting point for any new project. After picking a template, you can customize everything about it. Check out our How to Set Up and Customize a Client Portal video. Now let's look at document templates. From Docs and Files, click Create and choose Use Template. SuperOkay has a multitude of document templates that are great starting points for your work. Let's use the template Website Redesign Proposal. As you scroll, notice that each section of the document is highlighted. These are document blocks, and you can modify them, delete them, or add new ones. Let's edit the first one. We'll center the logo and make the background yellow. Now let's change the background image of the second block and edit the text. By scrolling a bit further, you can see there's a lot of detail in this document. You can edit every single block. Let's delete the block and create a new one in its place. When you insert a block, there are many options to choose from. You can see more info about each block by hovering your mouse. Let's choose the File Upload Q&A block. This block allows your client to upload external documents to your SuperOkay project. Let's ask our client what the mascot of their company is and ask them to upload a picture. As you can see down here, a couple of words are bolded: case studies and team bios. Both of these are part of SuperOkay's content library. So let's add team bios to our document. Click the plus symbol and select Content Library. Now choose Team Bios. Let's add all 4 of these. They are, of course, configurable. So let's make a new one. Navigate to Team Bios on the side menu and click New Team Bio. Now we have to add the name, the role, and the bio for our team member. Now let's add the preview card to our document. Case studies allow you to show your client some of your best work. Let's create a new case study. Navigate to the Case Studies section, hit New Case Study, choose the year and add a short description. Now let's add these case studies to our document. Come back to your document, click the plus symbol and select Content Library. Choose your case study. One last thing to look at: reusable blocks. You can find them in the content library as well. Reusable blocks allow you to save parts of your documents as blocks that you can use in other projects. Essentially custom templates for document sections or even entire documents. Navigate to reusable blocks from the side menu. Click New Reusable Block. Click the plus symbol and select Section Heading to insert a title. Let's add a table in the Upload Files module. Now we have a starting point. Let's give it a name. I'll call it Test Reusable Block. This is how you create a reusable block from scratch. Now click the 3 dots on the top right of the screen and select Save to Reusable Blocks. You can now access and reuse your document anytime. You can also do this to any individual block by selecting it and choosing Save to Reusable Block. For more guides on how to use SuperOkay, visit our YouTube channel and join our Facebook community.